my channel. I'm Ashley Morse, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com, and we are still in our deep dive of word problems. So this part is part 6. We're just going to keep chugging along until I show you all these different types of word problems that I think are important to know. Okay, so the sum of a number and 5 all divided by 3, the all is kind of not needed, but I added it just for clarity. All divided by 3 is -1. What is the number? So we always define our variable. So I'm going to say x equals a number because I don't know. I don't know that number. We're going to call it x. The sum means that we are going to add. So a number plus 5 all divided by 3. The sum is divided by 3. So the sum is all divided by 3. So everything that's part of the sum, the x plus 5, big long divide, 3 on the bottom, is -1. And then to solve this, we are going to cross multiply, is what some people call it. This 3 on the bottom, you need to undo that. So we're going to undo divide with multiply. So that cancels. If I do it to one side, I've got to do it to the other. Then we can get x plus 5 equals -3. Subtract 5 from both sides. And we get x equals -8. Let's go back and read the problem. The sum of a number and 5 all divided by 3 is -1. What is the number? The number is -8. Number 10, the sum of 2 consecutive integers is 11. What are the numbers? So pause for a second on this problem and let's just think about what are consecutive integers. They're numbers that go in order, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 100, 101, 102, 99, 100, 101, that kind of thing. So if I look at those numbers and I say, how did I go from the first one to the second one? How did I go from the first one to the third one? That, so on and so forth. We get our pattern. So let's just look at like 1, 2, 3. So if this is my first number, we'll call that x. My first number is x. How did I go from x to the next one? How did I go from 1 to 2? I added 1. So we do x plus 1 because to go from here to here, I added 1. Okay, how do I go from the first one to the next one? So I added 1 and then I'm going to add 1 again. So from the first one to the third one, I have to add 2. So that'll be x plus 2. And if you think about it, I get 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Add another one, I get 3. Add another one, I get 4. So you just keep adding 1 more to keep moving forward. So we're going to use this idea to talk about consecutive integers. Remember, the first one's going to be x. So the first number, we're going to call that x. The second number is x plus 1. I add 1 to go to the next number when I'm counting. The sum of the 2 consecutive integers, so sum means plus, so we're going to add these 2 numbers together, x plus 1 is 11. And that's the equation we need to solve. So that's going to be 2x when I combine like terms is equal to 11. Now let's solve it. -1 divide by 2, x equals 5. That is the first number. The first number is 5. What does the question ask? What are the numbers? It wants both of them. So the second number was x plus 1. That's 6. These are consecutive integers. They come one after the other, and they do add up to 11. We can kind of check that one because it didn't ask for too much. But always make sure you answer the question asked. I have more of these in the next video, so stick around for more. I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers that are ready to set up some tutoring sessions with you to get you some extra help. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest videos when we post them. Have a great day.